Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change who can see your real name on your Xbox. Let's get into the method. Open the settings first. You can do this by pressing the Xbox button, then scroll all the way to the right and choose Settings here. Within the settings, scroll down to the Account option on the menu on the left, then choose Privacy and Online Safety. Next, choose Xbox Privacy and then select View Details and Customize. Now select Profile and have a look for the option called Others Can See Your Real Name, and if you select this, you can now change this to the option you want. For example, to hide it from everyone, make sure that Only Me is selected. That's how to change who can see your real name on Xbox. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.